Where's the fire? Jeff, it's right over here. Come here. Jeff, the fire's over here, buddy. Come here. Look, it's all over there. Got him! Oh, Jeff! I'm sorry, Jeff. Sorry. Not sorry. Oh, Jeff! I am so sorry.
I set it all on fire, dude.
I'm sorry. The chicken was definitely lit. I'll tell you that. Yeah. There's so much fire that I'm lagging somehow. I'm done. What do you mean you're done, Jeff?
You can't just be done, dude.
Yeah, you can't just be done, bro. You can't quit. I quit. Jeff, you can't quit, man. Moose Mods is still kind of all over the place. You know what I'm saying? Stop going. Joe, come here. Yo,
dude, wait. What is it?
Why are you holding it? Is that a paintball gun?
I can't move.
How are you not? Psycho, are you good?
I can't
move. What happened? What happened, buddy?
Bro, I'm broken. I can't move.
How are you broken? What?
It's okay. We get. Okay.
What just happened? All right, come on. Yo, I got an idea. So, you stay up here. You'll stay up here, okay? I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna put a bunch of TNT down right over here. All right, just stay still. Let me go up a little bit, just like this. And now watch that. Call this a dramatic entrance into the day of Daycare. Ah! Oh, snap.
Moose, you blew up the roof. There's smoke everywhere.
Oh, my bad. What?
Wait, Jafina?
Wait, what the heck, Jafina? Hey, Jafina! Yo, stop with the paintball. Hey, stop with the paintball guns, bro. Jafina, how are you? Hey, how you been? It's been so long. You little moose. Can you stop with the paintball gun, Cyclops? Hey!
There is no stopping the paintball guns.
Yo, what's up, Jafina? Get down, sweetie. Oh, look at you, Jafina. Yo, Jeff, Jafina, how's the thing going with Jeff and stuff? How's that going with you guys? I heard you guys were getting married and stuff. Did you know they're getting married? Yo, this is Jeff's girlfriend. Did you never meet her?
What?
Yo, you never met her. Yo, come here, bro. Yo, it's actually Jeff's girlfriend. Jeff actually has a girlfriend. I'm his wife. Yeah, there you go.
Jeff, is that you? Jeff? Why are you wearing a dress, dude?
No, that's Jafina. No, that's not the same person.
Wait, I'm confused. Moose.
But for some reason, he didn't come home yesterday. Wait, what?
Come over here.
Give me a second, Jafina. I think he's a little bit confused.
Bro, what? I'm very confused. Is that it? Why is Jeff wearing a dress? And why are we?
No, Jeff's not wearing a dress. Yo, no, I'm not kidding. Yo, I was in Jeff's daycare thing. Okay, I came inside and he was on a date. This girl showed up named Jafina, and that's his date. And they got married. Yeah, no, that's not Jeff. No, it's actually his girlfriend. Hey, snap!
No!
Don't you dare insult me or my husband! I told you, bro. She's crazy. I mean, she's amazing. You see, she's much better than Jeff.
Yeah, you're great.
You're the best.
Don't kill me again.
No! Chill! Ow!
Run,
Jafina! Paintballs don't work.
Proof. They don't.
Yes,
no,
they're paintballs. What do you think's gonna happen?
Well, I mean.
Chill. Relax, bro. Put that down. Give me that. Cough it up.
No,
hey,
no,
come here.
no, you won't take it away.
When he didn't come home last night. Wait, hold on. Yo, so Jafina, what was going on? I thought I should come and check here. Okay, so let me get this straight. So, pretty much, Jeff didn't come home last night, and you're here as a substitute? He sometimes works late nights. Yo, Jafina, don't be worried. Here's the moose book, girl. Take that. He sent me a text. What did he text you? What? Saying he quit. Oh, we have nothing to do with that. Oh, no. Yeah, we have nothing to do with that. Yeah, last night, we were in daycare, and Jeff got really mad about over like a potato that he ate that was really bad, and it gave him diarrhea. And that pretty much says he quit. So, okay.
It's called Super Moose Milk.
No, it's terrible for you. Why can't I drink this? What's the point of this? Oh my God, no.
Why?
Help. Yo, the Jafina, oh my God. What is going on? I'm so scared.
Moose, we gotta go, Moose.
That's my favorite recipe. Yeah, Jafina. It's amazing.
It's really nice. Thank you.
It's really good, Jafina. Okay, well, anyways, I guess you're the substitute for Jeff. What's going on today, Jafina? Come over here. Let's go into the laboratory. I taught Jeff that recipe for his lab. Oh, so
that makes a lot of sense.
That makes a lot of sense. Yeah.
Ooh, what is this?
I can see who can really cook in their relationship. Oh, roasted. Oh, hashtag Savage Moose. Oh, today we're playing Simon Says. Right?
Wait, Simon Says?
Yo, it's my favorite game. Yeah, what's up? So how are we gonna do this? So how does that work?
Who's Simon?
Simon?
No, you're Jafina. Who's Simon?
Ready?
Where's Simon? Are you Simon? Simon? Hello?
Let's just play Jafina Says. How about that? Everyone, line up.
we're
Come
playing
here. Come here, Cyclops. Come over here. Come over here. Stand right here, buddy. There you go. Hey, over here. No,
Okay,
no.
wait. I don't. Where do we go? I'm here.
On top of the moose one.
When
When I say Jafina says, you follow my command. All right, Jafina, what's up?
Okay.
Jafina says sit. Yay!
How do I sit? I don't. Am I sitting?
You're sitting.
I'm sitting.
That looks very uncomfortable. Hey, it's awesome.
It was.
Okay. So what Jafina says stand.
Yay!
You're not standing.
You're not standing.
You're not standing, bro.
I'm standing, dude.
Huh? Sit.
Sit.
Ha! Get right, you nub. Yeah. You lost.
Oh, no.
Cyclops.
It didn't say sit. No.
You lost. No. Wait, if you lose, what happens? It's okay. She's forgiving you, bro.
Nice
that was a warm up. Okay. Awesome. Wait, by warm up. Oh my God! You're savage. That was definitely a warm up, bro. Jafina's a savage, dog. Yo, she's more savage than Jeff, bro. Now we play again. Best of 3.
I don't want to play this anymore.
You kind of look like you're on fire, buddy. Here's some steak. Maybe they'll help you out a little bit. Jafina says jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey!
She didn't say it. Jafina
Cyclops. That was like 6 times.
Well, I can't count. Please let me live.
Cyclops, it's okay, buddy. Don't worry. You're going to be fine, man. You're going to be completely fine.
She's evil, dude.
She's not evil. She's a really nice lady. I tell you
dude.
that. Musina 1, Cyclopia 0. You just call me Musina.
Sorry. What did you just call me?
Coming this summer in the WWE Championships, Musina! Bam, bam, bam. Insert
yeah,
Musina
I have a
memes.
last cool nickname, so.
Ready for round 2? Yeah, I'm ready.
Square up. I'm sorry. No. What did you call me? Do you want square up? Let's go. Let's go. Square up. Square up. Square up. Yeah. Yeah.
What? Huh?
Okay. I'll be a good boy.
Lay down. Jafina says lay down. Hey. Scream.
I'm laying down. Scream. That was a close one.
This guy. Look at his nose. Oh, your head's backwards. Oh, my bad. My bad. Nope. You will never catch me. This is kind of awkward. I'm stuck.
What are you? Moose?
You'll never take me. Ah, she can fly. Why is she able to fly?
She's a wizard, dude. Okay, I think isn't the next one wins? The next person who gets it wins.
I'm
right?
Super Jafina. This dude. Okay, so what are we doing next, man? Best of 3? What? Why best of 3? What? Huh? I don't. Why we get? Can we make it like 2 or something? Yay! Awesome. I don't like you, Cyclops. You smell like a potato.
Okay.
Drink this. It was save a day. Jafina says into this.
I gotta go. I'll do it.
I don't know about Jafina. Jafina.
Move anymore.
Jafina.
Moose.
Jafina. It's not.
Moose.
Jafina.
I told you, Moose. She was evil. I told you, dude.
Jafina. Hey, I don't like this at all. Jafina, this is very bad for my health, Jafina. Is that going to lie?
Okay, Moose. I'll save us, dude. I'm drowning. I'm so.
Help!
I don't know.
Help! You shooting me somehow. Stop with the paintball stuff. Yup. Jafina, what is this?
Save you.
Jafina, get me out of here. Jafina, no. Get me out of this thing. This is very dangerous. I have an idea. Like a good neighbor, MooseCraft is there. I'm here. Yay, it worked.
I'm free, dude. Moose, let's go. She's evil. I told you that she was evil.
So, do I win that one? Because, like, listen. Okay. We play a new game. What's the new game? What's that about? Huh? Come here, Cyclopia. Yo, Cyclopia.
Play a new game.
Yo, stop hiding in the corner. We can see you, bro.
Moose, I'm hiding.
It is first one to run loses. Did you lose technically? I can't.
I'm hiding behind the wall. She can't see me. She doesn't know I'm here.
She can see you, bro. Look at you, man. You're just a little Cyclopia.
She can't see me. I'm hiding behind
Come here, Cyclopia. I got to count down.
Okay.
Cyclops, are you okay? You seem kind of sad.
Dude.
Ready? Yeah, ready.
No.
Let's go. Yeah, woo. Hey. The winner never has to come back to daycare again.
Moose?
We start now.
Moose?
I'm alive. The moose book saved me.
I'm alive.
Yay! Moose and Cyclops lost. You moved. No, we did not move. I built up. Yeah, I built up. There you go. You see? Smart knowledge. Knowledge.
Said we couldn't run.
Yeah. Knowledge.
No. Moose, help me.
Hey, Jafina. You know, I just gotta say, I was gonna say you look beautiful, but you two are such a handful. Jafina, do you know how to put on lipstick? Because it's all over the place. I'm out of here. No. Hashtag Savage is out of here, bro. You're never taking a live. MooseCraft the Savage. Yeah. Oh, my God. This is going to end very, very badly, man. Oh, no. Help. Can we have Jeff back? She's crazy, man. Yo, Jafina is crazy. I want Jeff back. Jeff, please get back if you're listening to me, man.
Get behind me. I'll save you, dude. Get behind me.
Okay, buddy. Oh, there's a paintball gun. It's not going to help at all. Guys. Ever watch this video? Let's get 10,000 likes to bring back Jeff the Moose in Daycare. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you guys receive a notification for the next episode. My Daycare now. I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. We gotta find a way to stop her. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video.